In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a task repeat on a weekly or monthly cadence so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by heading to the overview area of your team space in your workspace. This is a great place to see everything at a glance and makes it easy to jump into the right spot. From here, click on the project that contains the task you want to automate. If you manage multiple projects, take a second to confirm you're in the correct one so the recurrence applies exactly where you expect. Next, open the specific task you want to make recurring. Once the task window is open, look for the dates section. This is where the due date and schedule live, and it's also where you'll enable recurrence. Click on dates, then choose set recurring to open the recurrence options. If you want the task to repeat every week, click weekly. This is perfect for things like weekly reports, team check-ins, or routine maintenance. It will keep the task coming back on a steady weekly rhythm so you don't have to recreate it. If a monthly cadence fits better, click monthly instead. Within the monthly options, you'll see two common choices. Click same day each month if you want the task to recur on the same calendar date it's currently set to, like the 15th every month, or click first day of the month if you always want it to roll in on the very first day, which is handy for billing cycles, planning, or monthly rollovers. Choose whichever matches your workflow best. You'll also decide how the next occurrence is created. Click on status change. Complete if you want the next task to generate as soon as you mark this one complete. This keeps your list clean and ensures you only see the next task when you've finished the current one. Alternatively, click on a schedule if you want the next instance to appear on a specific cadence, regardless of whether the current task is completed. That's helpful when you need the task to show up on a fixed timeline no matter what. When you're happy with your choices, click Save. You should now see that the task is set to recur, and from this point on, ClickUp will recreate it based on the options you selected. Quick tip, after saving, glance at the due date and recurrence indicator to confirm everything looks right. If you ever need to adjust or stop the recurrence, return to dates and update the settings. That's it, your recurring task is ready to go.